before and after. Baby at the car wash. We got dirt all up in there. Dirty tires. Dirt. Feel me? Hopefully we get this squared away real quick. Get all that dirt off. But that holds my jacket down right there on my tail. Alright. Packed up, ready to go. Got a good clean. Could have got better, but I'm kind of in a rush. Probably finish down the rest when I get to the house. When I get to the house. The KP Mini just did our dirt video, so I try to get most of the dirt off, pressure washer, stuff like that, because I went through the dirt today. I went on a trail, came back one piece, everything's still hooked up, nothing else came off, but it does need to be like waxed down, shined up for the most part. There we go, back to the nest.